The F6E1 error code on Maytag 2000 series washers indicates a communication fault between the main electronic control board and the motor control board. This prevents the washer from starting its cycles, meaning the two boards aren't communicating properly. Here are examples of the circuit boards involved. The electronic control board handles overall operations, while the motor control board manages the motor functions. We will go over how to fix this communication issue and how to perform resets. The first step in troubleshooting the F6E1 error is a simple hard reset. Unplug the washer from the power outlet for 5 to 10 minutes. This hard reset clears any temporary error codes stored in the washer's memory and can often resolve the communication issue between the control boards. After waiting the full time, plug the washer back into the power outlet and try running a test cycle to see if the F6E1 error has been resolved. Make sure the plug is completely inserted into the outlet and properly grounded to ensure a stable electrical connection. If the hard reset doesn't work, try entering diagnostic mode. This involves holding specific buttons, such as Start and Stop, for 5 seconds to force a recalibration. The exact button combination may vary, so consult your washer's user manual or search online for the correct sequence for your specific model. If the diagnostic mode initiates, then proceed to run a system check. Carefully inspect the wiring harnesses connecting the ECB and MCB. Look for loose pins, corrosion, or breaks in the wires. Pay close attention to the 12-pin connector that typically links the two boards. Use a flashlight to get a good view of all the connections. Before testing wires, always disconnect the power to the washer to prevent electrical shocks. To test continuity, set your multimeter to ohms, represented by the omega symbol. Touch the probes to both ends of the wire. A good wire shows resistance of less than 1 ohm. Next, test the voltage at the motor control board, or MCB. With power disconnected, the reading should be around 120 volts AC when the washer is plugged in. If wires are damaged, reconnect them securely or replace them. Always ensure proper grounding to prevent electrical hazards. If wiring checks don't resolve the F6E1 error, one of the control boards may be faulty. Due to Maytag discontinuing support for the 2000 series, OEM boards are scarce. However, you can find compatible refurbished boards from third-party suppliers like Appliance Parts Pros or Repair Clinic. Prices range from $100 to $300. Consider issues such as global chip shortages that may have caused 20–30% price hikes in late 2025. With new washer prices rising to $800 or more, DIY repairs for the Maytag 2000 series have become increasingly popular, with a 40% increase since 2023. Repairing your Maytag 2000 series contributes to sustainability by extending its lifespan and reducing electronic waste. Repair communities estimate saving 50,000 units annually from landfills. Online resources like YouTube tutorials and repair communities provide guidance and support for your DIY repair efforts. Appliance technicians often emphasize that the F6E1 error is frequently a wiring problem rather than a complete board failure. They recommend starting with simple resets and wiring checks before considering expensive board replacements. Important safety precautions include disconnecting power before any repairs and consulting a professional electrician if you're not comfortable working with electrical components.